this is Juri Hwang, a Bio Bee, who will deliver the latest honey-like news from the Korean bio industry to you earlier than anyone else in the world. Good to see you guys again. I'm back today to inform you of the most honey-sweet issues in South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to Bio TV and set up notifications. By turning on notifications, you can receive the latest honey-like information even faster. Now then, shall we go and take a look at today's sweetie sweet news? Competition among K-bio companies in the digital healthcare industry for the obtaining approval for South Korea's first digital therapeutics is intensifying, as the field of digital therapeutics is expanding to include various subfields such as treatment of the after effects of a disease and the improvement of dementia. Particular attention is being paid to what therapeutics will emerge this year. Many K-bio companies are busily working to launch digital therapeutics within this year, including Nunaps, which is developing therapeutics for the sequelae of strokes, Welt and AI Med, both of which are developing therapeutics for insomnia, Life Semantics, developing therapeutics for respiratory disorders caused by lung cancer and lung disease, and AriBio, a company that is developing therapeutics for mild dementia and memory impairment. Digital therapeutics are solutions that can prevent, manage, and treat diseases or disabilities among people, and they are being developed in various forms, such as software applications and video games, utilizing tools such as virtual reality and augmented reality contents. As many as 20 digital therapeutics are known to have been approved last year by the FDA alone. Expectations for the commercialization of digital therapeutics are growing in South Korea as well, as more and more South Korean developers of digital therapeutics have entered the final stages of clinical trials, namely confirmatory trials, or are in the late stages of development. Bio TV stands behind the K-bio companies for their success in the digital healthcare field, equipped with the latest technologies. E1 Diagnomics has completed its registration with the General Service Administration System for Award Management, a process essential for entering the U.S. federal government's procurement market and thereby obtaining eligibility for the bidding and delivery of products. SAM is a procurement database managed by U.S. government agency, the General Service Administration, and the General Service Administration is said to be the world's largest single buyer of goods with an annual purchasing power of approximately $840 billion US. EDGC is said to be working to supply the infection prevention-related goods it has stockpiled, such as COVID-19, rapid antigen and antibody test kits, to the U.S. federal government. EDGC is also said to be in the process of registering as a medical supply and FSS company with the United States Department of Veterans Affairs and also with the Department of Defense's Combat Logistics Support Agency. A market with a purchasing power of $840 billion is huge indeed. Bio TV will keep paying attention to EDGC's growth going forward. South Korean in vitro diagnostic medical device manufacturer MiCo BioMed has begun in earnest the exporting and domestic provision of COVID-19 rapid antigen diagnostic kits intended for professionals. It is said that starting this month, MiCo BioMed will supply hundreds of thousands of units of its professional rapid antigen diagnostic kit, VeriQ COVID-19 AG rapid test, to South Korea's public health centers, local hospitals, and clinics through the distribution network of large pharmaceutical companies starting from this month. Now that South Korea's infection prevention authorities have put an infection prevention system against Omicron into full operation, demand for rapid antigen diagnostic kits is growing beyond their supply. Furthermore, ordinary citizens except for high risk of COVID-19 groups are now to receive rapid antigen testing instead of PCR testing at screening clinics and hospitals. Exports to Brazil and Japan are also increasing as the Omicron variant has rapidly become dominant around the world. MiCo BioMed plans to export millions of rapid antigen test kits to Japan and Brazil on an annual basis. BioTV roots for MiCo BioMed, a K-Bio company that is raising its standing in global markets with its diagnostic kits. Well, that's all the honey sweet news we have gathered for you today. I will be back soon with new and even sweeter issues related to South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.